In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify on Shopify. By the end, you'll have Printify connected to your Shopify store and a product published and visible in your Products tab. Start by going to printify.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel and click My New Store. From there, select Manage My Store, then hit Connect. When asked to choose a platform, pick Shopify, click Continue, and then click Connect under the Connect Shopify account prompt. Make sure you're already logged into your Shopify account in the same browser. If you aren't, open a new tab, log into Shopify, and return to Printify to continue. You'll be prompted to install the Printify app to your Shopify store. Click Install, and when Shopify asks you to confirm, click Install again. After the app is added, you may be asked to log into your existing Printify account one more time to link everything. Once that's done, go back to Printify, and you should see that your store is connected. If it doesn't show immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. Now let's create a product in Printify. Choose a product type like a t-shirt, hoodie, or mug. Load the product editor and design your item by uploading your artwork and positioning it where you want it. For the best print quality, use high-resolution images and check the preview mockups to make sure everything looks centered and sharp. When you're happy with the design, save your product. Next, publish it so it's ready to send to Shopify. After publishing, click into your product to fine-tune the details. Set your retail price with your desired profit margin in mind. Edit the title and description so they're clear, searchable, and helpful for customers. Choose the variants you want to offer, such as sizes and colors, then select your shipping options. These settings determine what your customers will see at checkout, so pick options that match your fulfillment expectations. When everything looks good, click Publish to push the product to your Shopify store. To confirm it's live in Shopify, go to your Shopify admin, click Products on the left panel, and you'll see the product you just published from Printify. Images, variants, pricing, and the description should all be there. If you don't see it right away, wait a moment and refresh. From here, you can organize it into collections, adjust visibility, and review how it appears on your storefront. That's it. Your Printify product is now synced to Shopify and ready to sell.